Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to do every single Merlin trial in the game. I'm just going to show you one of each. There are 9 different Merlin trials, so let's go through the first one. This first one that we are going to do is statue repairing. So you're going to want to equip Reparo. Look around. We need to repair this statue, this statue, this statue, and this one. So let's begin.
Reparo.
1 down. 2 down, 3 down,
What's that?
and 4 down. That is the statue repair Merlin trial for you. Alright, moving on to the next one. Let's add our mallow. Perfect. This is the mixed up symbol cubes. Alright, let's start with this first one. We are going to want to make this cube. We're going to have to reposition it using Flipendo so that the symbol above on the cube matches the symbol below. So we need to find this symbol on the cube. We need to find this symbol on the cube, have the one above it match it. Same with the back side, and same with this left-hand side. So, depending on where you stand, will change how Flipendo works. Let's find piece. Perfect. We need that. As in the right position. Now we just need to find this. Beautiful. Alright, that one's done. Let's move on to the next one. You just want to match up every symbol with the cube and the pillar. Moving on to this next one. We need to find the circle. There it is. The circle. Oh, perfect. Second one done. And then moving on to this last one. Again, you just need to do the same thing. Have the top cube match the pillar below it. Alright, those two match up. And those two match up. There is the mixed up cube pillar Merlin trial complete. I don't know what you want to call it. Can you guys be quiet? What are you doing? Try to record here. Hello? Alright, moving on to the next one. Let's add our mallow. For this one, we are going to be gathering moths and bringing them to the crystals.
Revelio.
Here's one. There's one. And there's one.
Confringo.
Now let's burn this away. Oh, before we do that, make sure to equip Lumos.
Lumos.
You're going to be needing that. Bring her on over. Go up here.
Lumos.
Use Lumos again. Bring the butterflies to the crystal. There we go.
Revelio.
And last but not least, I'm assuming it's
Confringo.
in here. And yes, they are. Hello, guys. Come with me. Don't worry. I'm here to protect you. And bring the last bit of butterflies to the third crystal. And that is another Merlin trial complete. The moths to the crystals Merlin trial. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Alright, moving on to another Merlin trial. This is the exploding stones Merlin trial. So let's add our mallow. You're gonna want to map out the area, see where all the stones are. There, one right there, one right there, one over there, and one right there.
Confringo.
Oh, before I start destroying them all, you're going to want to make sure to equip Confringo for this one. It's great. You could also use Incendio if you would like, but let's just use Confringo just for the range. What are you trying to hide behind another rock, you big old fraud? 4 and 5. And there you go. There is another Merlin trial complete. Let's go find another one. All right, here is another Merlin trial. Let's add our mallow again, like usual. This one is the lighting braziers. This one is on a timer, so you need to do this in somewhat rapid succession. There's going to be 3 of these little pots that you have to shoot with Confringo. Make sure to equip that for this trial. There's one right there, one up there, and one over there. Let's actually get a better position. Fly up here a little bit. Let's start shooting the one in the far back. And that second one we saw. And end it with that first one. Beautiful. That is another trial done. Alright, we found another Merlin trial. Don't even need to say at this point. Add your mallow. For this specific Merlin trial, we are going to want to push this ball down this hill. Let's join it. Let's go down the slide together. Oh, I got ahead of it. Oh no. Come on down. Beautiful. You basically just need to get the ball in the hole, and you're done. Dang it, we're that close. What? Reset.
Levioso.
There, I blocked it with my butt. I didn't want to go too far. And there we go. That is another Merlin trial complete. Alright, moving on to another Merlin trial. You're going to want to add your Mallow, and for this specific trial, you are going to need Confringo. Once again, we're going to be destroying these orb-like things. There are 3 sets of 3, so there's 9 in total. Let's add the Mallow. Let's scout out the area. There's a set of 3 here, set of 3 over there. Oh yeah, the other set of 3 is over there as well. Let's destroy these 3. Make our way over here. 1, 2, 3, and then the other set of 3. There you have it. There is another Merlin trial complete. Alright, we're moving on to another Merlin trial. Add your Mallow. This is the Wizard Parkour course. You're going to need to jump on every single stone platform without touching the ground. Let's say we started here. We have to jump from here to the next stone platform, to the next one, to the next one, to the next one, without touching the ground. That is very important. So let's start with jumping on this one. It'll light up for us. It'll give us that noise. Ugh. Jump on over here. Jump back up. And then jump onto the final platform. And this one is complete. That is the second last type of Merlin trial complete. We only need one more to the last Merlin trial. Let's add our Mallow. And for this one, you're going to need to bring these stones. There are 3 sets of stones and there are 3 platforms. You're going to need to bring 1 set of 5 stones to each platform. And you're going to need Accio. I'll show you. Accio them towards you and then usher them to the platform. Like so. Beautiful. Let's find the next set. These guys are kind of scattered. The balls. And they'll all come towards you, which is nice. I only have 3 of them. Oh no. Alright, let's see what happens when I bring these 3 over here. Uh-oh. Hopefully I didn't screw it up. Usher these guys in. Will they all just make their way over here? Oh. Where did those guys just go from? Alright. And then you get the next one by coming in here. There's no point in aiming for those 2 up top because it seems like as long as you get 1 ball in the platform, the others will just magically appear. Just Accio it over here, drag them to the platform. And that is the final Merlin trial. There you have it, guys. That is how to complete every Merlin trial in the game. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know down below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and like it. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Oh, see you.